ignorant of God, they're honoring God in their everyday tongue. But so just to get a foundation on this class, mathematics, a lot of us refer to supreme mathematics. Language, which, you know, when you deal with the Hebrew language, you're aware that the letters and the words are the numbers. So what they call it is alphanumerics, that space where letters and numbers represent in alignment with one another. In the Arabic language, there's something that they call the abjad. The abjad is the numerical value that corresponds to each letter. All languages are subject to that because sounds have weight to them. So the sounds you make actually have a, they call it grammar for a reason. A gram is a weight. You see? So grammar has weight as well. So in this class, we're going to break down a lot of words and the weight of those words realistically through our understanding of them. Now, I don't pride myself on being a factologist. I'm not here with the claim that everything I say is right as opposed to everybody else is right. What I'm aware of is that in this world, the foundation of just about everything we know that's stable is based on the number 4. Anybody, do y'all agree that 4 represents the foundation of things? Anybody?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good because you have 2 arms and 2 legs. And without them, your body will be pretty much useless and strange. Your car, 4 tires. You know, most of the houses you walk into, 4 corners. And we realize all throughout nature, animals, most animals, not all of them, some are insects with 6 legs and arachnids with 8 legs. But for the most part, we see clearly that the number 4 plays a major position in all things that have stability and foundation and mobility, the ability to move. The foundation of the chemical universe, from my observation, and I'm sure many of you out there and y'all in this room can see, light, matter, motion, and sound. Everything is light, matter, motion, and sound. Either it's so much light that it's having an effect on matter, or it's so much matter that it's reflecting light. Of course, we know that all things vibrate. So all things that are vibrating are naturally creating a sound. Even if it's inaudible, it's creating a sound. And then, what makes the connection between light, matter, and sound? Motion. If something moves fast enough, E equals mc squared. Something moving very fast can be transformed into light. It can transform back into raw energy. So when we're referring to raw energy, we're dealing with light. Let's start off simple. The English language, the Anglo-Saxon language, the English language, Anglo comes from, is where the word angel comes from, referring to these beings that in the Hebrew language they refer to as Elohims, light beings, beings of light. The angelish language that's the way I refer to it. I'm a perception scientist. My whole job is to deal with science and perception. You see something, you understand something, and you bear witness to the fact that it's related to other things. The angelish language, these beings who actually had the belief that they was angels, they wanted everybody to believe that their land was the angel land, so their home was England. In the chemical universe, one of the main things that I'm aware of, that we're aware of, is that there are many words that sound the exact same but mean 2 different things. Well, in the Hermetic sciences, in the science of Tahuti, we also know that all things are also one. So if 2 things sound exactly the same, it's very likely that the 2 things are connected. Am I correct? Okay, I just want to make sure you're with me. I mean, you know, it's not that kind of class. Feel loose. Understand that I'm using the same language as you. All of this is ours. What does the word ours mean?